Hey everyone, Will from All Electric, and today we're taking a look at the RadRunner 3 Plus. In this video, you're going to get my complete review after testing this e-bike out for several weeks. Let's jump right in. The RadRunner 3 Plus is more than just an e-bike. It's a game changer. With its robust features and thoughtful design, it's engineered to provide you with a remarkable riding experience. So let's start by breaking down what makes this e-bike truly stand out. At the core of the RadRunner 3 Plus is the powerful 750 watt brushless hub motor that provides ample torque and speed, ensuring compliance with all e-bike regulations. Paired with its 672 watt-hour battery, you can expect an impressive range up to 45 miles per charge, making this bike an excellent choice for your daily commute and beyond. Stay informed during your rides with an easy-to-read display. It offers essential information like current speed, distance traveled, battery status, and pedal assist level. Plus, the included intelligent 5-level pedal assist system and its 12 magnetic cadence sensors lets you customize your ride to your liking. Now, I would like to see a torque sensor on this bike, especially at this price point of $2,500 plus, depending on the accessories that you do get. Also, this is their new UI interface here, where you have two displays, one on the left side and one in the center. You also get this really beautiful startup, which spells out rad, which is kind of cool. Now, when you're putting this thing together, the only thing you really have to do is put on the front tire and the pedals. Other than that, your bike is going to be ready to go. But if you ordered accessories with the bike, which I highly suggest that you do, like this passenger package here, those will have to be installed. You can see that you have this clear plastic here that protects the rider's foot from going in if it's on these foot pegs that actually go up and down. Really like it, really nice and solid. Now, the passenger handle is so nicely integrated, and this works great for younger kids riding on the back of this and still having a spot to hold. You not only have the handle in front, but you also have this handle that goes around the rear. Now, with the step-through frame, I do have this option here. It's kind of like a tank storage right in between my legs. I would say that this is one of my favorite features that I've had on an e-bike. It provides lockable storage, and this thing is huge. It's so easy to throw a wallet, keys, water bottle, whatever you want into this, and it sits right in between your legs, and you can actually lock it if you're gonna like run into a store or something like that. I really like this tank storage and how it sits right in the middle, and I still think this can operate as a step-through design. You just have to step over the storage tank. This front rack is great for throwing a kid's backpack into. Also, if you order the front rack, it comes with an extension for the headlight, so the headlight will sit right on the front of that front rack. Really nice to have that extra storage. Safety is paramount for me and rad power bikes, and the RadRunner Plus has you covered with an auto on feature and integrated LED headlights for clear visibility during your nighttime adventures. The integrated taillight also acts as a brake light, adding an extra level of safety. You all know that I love seeing this front headlight and rear taillight. Love to see this integrated right into the e-bike. Now, what really sets this e-bike apart is its cargo hauling capacities. With a rear rack boasting a carrying capacity of 120 pounds and the ability to support various cargo accessories, you can easily transport groceries, gear, or even your furry friend for a ride, not to mention adults. Although I think the 120 pounds is kind of undercutting what this bike is capable of. Because the rear rack is integrated into the bike frame, you can easily carry a full-size adult on the back of this. When it's time to stop, the hydraulic disc brakes offer reliable and precise braking performance, ensuring safety in all riding conditions, including inclement weather. The RST spring forks provide a 60 millimeter of travel and preloaded adjustments and lockout. enhancing your ride's comfort and control, especially when navigating rough terrain. On rough terrain, the front fork definitely provides a lot of suspension travel and makes this e-bike really nice to ride on gravel, but I also think these knobby tires definitely play a role in that. I've taken this on some mud and in some gravel, and it definitely performed really well, and I was impressed with its performance. Speaking of the ride, the RadRunner 3 Plus doesn't disappoint. Its 750 watt motor delivers impressive power, allowing you to cruise effortlessly, whether you're tracking hills, zipping through intersections, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride around town. The multi-level pedal assist system lets you fine-tune your efforts, ensuring that your ride is as comfortable or exhilarating as you want it to be. The 5-level of pedal assist definitely allow for customization on each ride. So if you want more exercise, turn off the motor or just have it at 1. And if you don't feel like doing anything, just twist the throttle. The bike's frame is crafted from lightweight aluminum, which not only contributes to its ability, but also makes it easy to handle. The step-through frame design adds accessibility and makes it suitable for riders of all ages and abilities. Moving on to the handlebars that are designed for ergonomic comfort and an adjustable saddle that ensures you find the perfect riding position. Now, the saddle I want to talk about because I would say that this is the most uncomfortable seat that I have ever ridden on in an e-bike. You can see just how flat it is here. There's plenty of cushion provided, but because of its flat surface, this is really a baseline. I don't know, it almost feels like you're sitting on squishy cardboard because it's so flat. I feel like my butt wants to wiggle around on the seat versus most bike seats that are curved or have some sort of curvature to them allows your butt to stay more in place. So definitely on the next iteration of this e-bike, I would love to see an upgraded seat, or if you plan on purchasing one of these and you don't like the seat, you can always go on Amazon and find an upgraded bike seat. Now they're calling this a semi-integrated battery. I feel like it's either integrated or not. I do like the style, it looks pretty decent, but if you're gonna integrate the battery, then integrate it. Now this crankset is nothing to write home about, but I do like that they added this here, this slap guard on the frame to keep from scratching this beautiful green, which I just checked on their website is actually out of stock right now. This green is definitely beautiful to see and very popular. Now speaking of the tires, these 20-inch puncture-resistant tires provide stability and a smooth ride, whether you're on city streets or tracking rough paths. Now I did get this thing a little bit muddy and it did spray up a little bit because I don't have the front fender on because I store all my e-bikes with the Steady Rack system that I did purchase. This Steady Rack system is actually really awesome. They have 2 different versions. For this particular e-bike, the RadRunner 3 Plus, you'll have to get the fat tire option, which does not work with front fenders, and that's why I don't have the front fender on there. You can see for $179, which is rather expensive, you get 2 of these wall-mounted fat tire bike racks. These are super great to throw your bike up. They swivel from side to side. They are so solid, so easy to install. I actually stagger these about 6 inches in my garage. You can see here, I put each one on one of the studs in my wall. And this is just so great, especially with all the e-bikes going in and out to show you guys. This helps me organize my garage. Otherwise, it would just be a complete disaster. If you want to buy one of these Steady Racks, click the Amazon affiliate link right below the like button. Here are a few more noteworthy details. The RadRunner 3 Plus features water-resistant connectors and wiring harnesses, ensuring reliability in various weather conditions. On their website, they do say that you can ride this in the rain, which is standard for most e-bikes. With a side-mounted adjustable kickstand, loading and unloading cargo is a breeze. I definitely, if a kid is going to get on the back of this or an adult, make sure that the driver is holding on and you're not relying on the kickstand to hold up the bike. That can definitely cause it to fall over, especially if you have a little kid climbing on the back. Make sure you practice safety, hold onto the bike, and don't trust the kickstand to support if a passenger is going to climb onto the back of it. Earlier in the video, I did mention that the green color is currently out of stock on Rad Power's website. You can only get the gray version right now. If you add all the accessories, it comes to just over $2,800 for the e-bike that you see me testing here in the video. Almost $3,000, but if you consider some of the cargo e-bikes, some larger cargo e-bikes that can fit almost as much cargo as this e-bike can, although this is under the utility category, I would say that this is still a good option if you're looking for an e-bike. Now, how I can justify this price if I'm you is if I'm getting rid of my car, or I'm gonna ride this 5 days a week to work, then this definitely justifies the $2,800 price. If you don't see yourself using this that often, then don't buy this e-bike. Go on Facebook Marketplace and try to find a used one of these. There's several other e-bike options out there if you're just looking for a just regular e-bike to get into that doesn't have this huge of a price tag. Although, if you need that utility like we do to go pick up kids, run to the grocery store, and that kind of thing, then this e-bike might be for you. I definitely like having the front basket, the center console storage that doesn't get in the way of my legs pedaling, and the ability to carry another passenger on the back. All things to be considered. At $2,800, I think that's a pretty good price for what you get with this newer, updated, rad electronic system as well with the 2 displays. This 750 watt motor isn't cheap either, and the semi-integrated battery also adds a lot of design elements, making this a desirable bike and one that might be right for you. In conclusion, the RadRunner 3 Plus from Rad Power Bikes is more than just an e-bike. It's a lifestyle upgrade, whether you're commuting, running errands, or simply exploring your city. This electric utility bike will exceed your expectations. With its power, cargo capacity, and thoughtful design, it's a game changer for urban mobility. If you're interested in purchasing one of these RadRunner 3 Plus, I'll have an affiliate link right below the like button in the description. Okay, there you have it. That is my full review of this e-bike. If you want to purchase one of these, click the affiliate link right below the like button. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Share this video with a friend, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.